everyone. Welcome back here. Today, let's talk about an exciting technology, Adobe Firefly's text-to-image feature. Recently Adobe launched this AI feature, so stay tuned with me. Let's explore this text-to-image features. Let me tell you that no matter how expert you are on specific skill, but it's time to adopt the AI and learn how we can leverage in career perspective. There are a variety of features to explore, but let's start with it. You know how sometimes it's difficult to find the perfect image that matches the description in your mind? Well, Adobe Firefly is here to change that. With its text-to-image functionality, you can bring your written ideas to life with stunning visuals. So here we go, uploading the pic. And start exploring the tool. So you can see the left corner insert feature. Click over there and start. So first I am going to remove the background and going to set new one. You can add the element anywhere in the picture and subtract as well. I'm creating here a complete whole new pic, adding nice background and element in the picture. So here is the final image. You can create the image through the prompt text input to the tool. I just picked one of mine pick and explored the tool. But you can create beautiful pictures if you give the detail explained command to tool. So if you like the video, share with your creative friends to use it. If you are a business owner, then you also need to be handy on tool to unlock the opportunities. Stay tuned for more AI exploring video, and you know the thrill. Subscribe my channel for more. Have a nice day.